Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're gonna see if we can add it into our PlayStation and use it as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, I'm gonna film this on my phone. It's a lot easier than filming on my PlayStation, but you can also update your payment method through their PlayStation app. And if you're not familiar with the Cash App Cash Card, basically what it is, it's a Visa debit card that's attached directly to your Cash App. So if you have money in your Cash App, you can usually use this at most places that accept debit Visa. But can you use it as a payment method on your PlayStation? That's what we're gonna find out. So let me go ahead and open up the PlayStation app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open the app now. All right guys, I went ahead and opened up the PlayStation app, and this is the home screen. And if you want to go ahead and try to add your Cash App Cash Card as a payment method in your PlayStation account, you want to click on this button down here. It's a little person icon. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then the screen pops up and you're going to see your username and name here at the top. But what you want to do is click on these three little dots here on the top right. I'm going to click there now. Right next to this drop-down menu happens, you want to click on this one, More Profile Settings. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then this screen pops up. And what you want to do is click on these three little lines here on the top left. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, then you want to click on this subscription button right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, this lets you know it's going to go to a different page. Go ahead and click continue. All right, so once you get here, you want to scroll down till you get to account. I'm going to click there now. All right, once again, you want to click on manage account right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you want to click on this line right here called Payment Management. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here we are on the Sony PlayStation payment method screen. So if you want to try to add your Cash App Cash Card into your PlayStation account, go ahead and click on this blue line right here called Add Payment Method. I'm going to click there now. Next, you can choose between adding PayPal or a credit or debit card. Cash App Cash Card is a Visa debit card, so I'm going to choose this top line now. All right, next Sony is asking for the 16-digit Cash App Cash Card number, along with expiration date and security code from the back of this card. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter all that in off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, I'm gonna click this blue button right here next. I'm gonna click there now. All right, next PlayStation's asking for the full billing address for the Cash App Cash Card. So I'm going to enter all that information in off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, I scrolled all the way to the bottom and the save button pops up, this blue button. I'm going to click there now. All right, so just a few seconds later, this screen pops up and it looks like, yes, you can use your Cash App Cash Card as a payment method for your PlayStation account. As you can see, I now have a new Visa listed here under my PlayStation account. So if you were not able to add your Cash App Cash Card into your Sony PlayStation as a payment method, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue at all for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.